YouTube community. I thought of an idea. Since last week I did a video on something I'm not very good at, so I thought I would do something today that I actually enjoy. I absolutely love special effects makeup. No, I'm not super great at it, but I enjoy doing it. I am a huge fan of doing like zombie kind of makeup, just like the bruised kind of look, nothing like too crazy, because it is 9 o'clock at night and I don't want to spend the next 3 hours trying to add stuff onto my face. So if you want to watch how I do it, then let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, so for this kind of look, I like to start off with all of the bruising. So I like to do like where everything would be bruised if I was like part of the dead undead culture. And again, because I can't seem to find my eyeshadow brush, this is going to be a little bit tricky. So I like to start off with like a red, like a base around everywhere I want to be bruised or like sunken in. And you can build up from there. Because once you put a dark color on, it's kind of impossible. Since I have really defined bags under my eyes, it's not that difficult to find all the creases. We go around my nose. I know it seems weird, but like it'll make sense later. I'm gonna get something in my eye. 1 second. If you have natural discoloration all over, like me, this shouldn't be hard for you. Sanitary. I like to drag it down into my neck as well, just cause. I usually like, how do you do that? Like suck in your neck. You can see like all the creases. I wanna look like bony, like unhealthy. Your skin was dying. Do you see where I'm going here? Do you get it? Basically, you just build up from there. So I go from like my pinkish, and then I add in some purple, like different shades of purple, and then I'll add in like some green after. Make it look more so like I'm slowly dying inside. Add like a little bit of like a dark blue and a dark green into like the really deep spots, like the deep crevices. So like down here, like in the corners would be the deepest, and like under your eyes, that kind of thing, and then like in the cheeks as well. That way it makes it look like more veiny. And use your fingers for blending because it just ends up looking more like natural, because that's what I'm going for. My lips are as dry as a zombie, so like we're halfway there, okay? So I've got the base down, and now I'm going to add some little touches. I have these little like shell things, yellow and like a really dark burgundy. So again, start off light and then you can build up as you go. The basis of this is you don't want your skin to look like skin. It should be like rotten and gross. Like I dip my face into a Big Mac. my phone died and you missed like the most important step. I can't really do anything about it. I couldn't find my charger and it was a mess. Anyway, what I do after I put everything on, because it starts to look a little funky, you just use like whatever cover up you have, or foundation, sorry, I'm learning. And you go over all the parts that are like too dark that you want to correct, because it shouldn't look like you're super dirty as opposed to like, I'm dying. You like retouch up all the bruising, and this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video because I had so much fun making it. And if you did watch it and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Mwah.